Hello, welcome to week 2 of HI 201 Health Informatics. I'm Dr. Iris Isip-Tan. Our topic this week is informatics, global health, and e-health. Our driving question for this week is, what is the relevance of informatics to global health and e-health? Begin with answering some directed questions. What is informatics? What is global health? And what is e-health? I've put together a list of resources for you to check out and answer these questions adequately. First is a slide deck from the American Medical Informatics Association, or AMIA, entitled What is Biomedical Informatics? It is a concise description of the field of biomedical informatics, distinguishing between what is biomedical and what is health informatics. It envisions how work in the field can lead to a learning healthcare system where patient care can be tied to knowledge creation and dissemination. Second on our list of resources is a systematic review of published definitions of e-health in the JMIR of 2005. So this is freely available. It is not on the list, but you may wish to check out a more recent blog post of moving beyond the term e-health, and I have the URL there for you. Wikipedia defines global health as the area of study of research and practice that places a priority on improving health and achieving equity in health for all people worldwide. We usually don't like relying on Wikipedia, but in this instance, this definition actually comes from a Lancet article that is included in our list towards a common definition of global health by Dr. Coplan and colleagues. The last item on our list is an NEJM article by Murray and Lopez, Measuring the Global Burden of Disease. This article ties up three concepts of informatics, e-health, and global health, so that's my clue for you. So this is the article that will answer our open-ended questions which have concepts. You only need to check out the cool GBD data visualization at this URL that I have down here to become convinced that this is the tying up article. So, for our driving question, what is the relevance of informatics to global health and e-health? I am asking you to make a concept map. And a concept map is actually a diagram that depicts suggested relationships between concepts. So, we will have to draw a line from here to here, and you have to tell me what is the connection. Or from informatics to e-health, what is the connection? Or between global health and e-health and global health. Okay? So why am I asking you to make a concept map? First, to understand the theories and concepts related to the topic. Second, to manage the concepts into sub-concepts for each group and category. Third, to understand the relationship of each concept and how they are related to each other. Four, to synthesize information, ideas, and concepts and see the whole picture. And lastly, to encourage creativity, brainstorming, and to develop higher level thinking skills and strategies. So this is a concept map of a concept map. So let me try to go over this with you. So a concept map represents organized knowledge, okay, which is needed to answer a focus question, which for us is the driving question. Of course, it is context dependent and therefore can be personal or social. So don't worry, there are no wrong concept maps, I think. Organized knowledge is necessary for effective teaching and learning, and that's what I hope we will be doing in our assignment for this week. It will include associated feelings or affect, and that will add to our concepts. Now, what you can notice here is that the concept map uses linking words. Okay, so I will be expecting to see such linking words. There is some hierarchical structure to the concept map, and you can use both symbols and words in your concept map. Okay? As a teacher, I value concept maps as they provide feedback of students' misconceptions and development of students' understanding over time. So don't worry, your concept map may be a simple one like this one about managing my learning, Okay, and here online tools were only LMS or learning management systems, YouTube, Google Reader, Twitter, and blogs. So maybe for us, we will be including, for example, Facebook or other online platforms. Your concept map may actually evolve as we go along with our classroom discussions. I will be using Bartels scoring rubric for concept maps, which has a total score of 9, and that's because it scores 3 points for concepts and terminology. So I only put on the slide the perfect score would be given for showing understanding of topics and concepts and principles with appropriate terminology. Relationship of concepts, so identifies all important concepts and understands relationships among them. Ability to communicate constructs a concept map that is easy to interpret. Maybe I should add +1 point for effort. Do not forget to blog about your concept maps. I will expect maybe to see you relating in your blog post how you were able to come up with a draft concept map, perhaps your final concept map that you submitted to UVLE, and perhaps even after a class meeting, an update showing a revised concept map. This week's topic is intended for you to situate yourself within the field of health informatics. What role you will play in this field will be determined by your understanding of what biomedical informatics is and what it sets out to do. From the broader expanse of informatics, global health, and e-health, we will move to the field of health informatics in the Philippines next week. See ya!